Rack Wireless, also known as MNTD. Really? I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Hello, everybody. Max Voltage here. And today I'm reporting that I received my new MNTD Blackspot miner, and go through a little bit of unboxing and then let you know why I'm disappointed in MNTD. So basically comes in a nice little box like this, very prone to fingerprints, if you can tell that. I haven't really been handling it that much, although it looks like it. So either that, I just have really greasy fingers, but I don't think so. Did wash my hands earlier, or, a little bit earlier before handling this. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So when you open it, has some nice packaging to it. Basically shows you a start mining here, and then has the actual miner right over here, and then has the power supply as well as the antenna up above. And that's everything you get. Only one thing's missing: the SD card upgrade. So I've already taken this out and pulled the SD card out, and you can see if I can hold this up the right way. See how that is a 32 gig. Well, it's supposed to come with a 64 gig. There's a well-known issue that went around in January where people had to upgrade their MNTD miners to 64 gig for making sure that it could hold the blockchain and making sure it didn't have any issues. I did that on mine. It definitely helped. And this one said that it was coming with an upgrade kit. And when I went back to look at the order page, it says still pending. So other than that, there has been no word from MNTD as to when we're going to be getting these upgrade kits. Lots of people have been complaining about this, and mum has been the word. I've checked Twitter, I've checked Discord. I have not seen any official announcement from Rack Wireless or MNTD regarding when people are going to get their SD card upgrade kits. Honestly, it's pretty much paperweight. I could mine it and then be completely frustrated when it flatlines half of the time. I'm not going to do that because that's a big pain in the butt. And honestly, I think it's detrimental to the network to have something that constantly, well, it's either working or not, but only works half the time. Yeah, it just doesn't make a lot of sense to start mining on it. So I'll be holding on to mine, and hopefully Rack Wireless and MNTD respond and let us know when we're going to be getting the SD card upgrade kits. So this is a short one today. Like I said, just definitely disappointed, hoping that we get some sort of response from MNTD. So thank you very much, everybody. And you guys all have a good one, and I'll see you the next time.